Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look right now on the gold market. Well, as you can see on the Friday session, not really big changes has happened. Yes, market has dropped slightly lower, but it hasn't changed the overall daily picture. If you remember, our major question on the daily chart was the contradiction between the patterns. Because here we have simultaneously the bullish pattern, that's morning star. As you can see, this candlestick pattern that consists of 3 candles. And the last candle of this pattern has become the bearish grabber. And the grabber suggests the taking out of these lows, which means that the grabber suggests the erasing of the morning star. This contradiction should be somehow resolved in the nearest future. But we think that bears stands in a better position than the bulls, because market has slightly above this pattern strong consolidation and strong resistance area. So 1088, 1085 area, strong cluster of the resistance. And in the current circumstances, this will be really the challenge for the market to break this area to the upside. That's why we think that to do this, to form some bullish pattern to continue move higher, market will need some external factor that could push market higher. Maybe this will be some fundamental data. Maybe this will be some breaking news on the political tensions or something of that sort. Without these events, without this external factor, market hardly will show any deep retracement here. On the daily chart, we have really some combination of the possible patterns. So if grabber pattern will start to work, the market will drop lower and continue move to our target. If somehow market will start to show the deep upward retracement, we have the perfect thrust down that could become the foundation for the Jordan-Napoli pattern. Probably this will be the bread and butter sell. For example, if market will reach this 1110 area, that could become the setup for a short entry as the bread and butter sell. So in both positions, we will find something to trade. Speaking directly on these patterns, if you would like to take the more risk and you're ready to do this, you could try to trade these patterns separately on lower time frame chart. So you could choose either to trade the bearish grabber and take the short position with the downward action, or you would like to possess yourself with this bullish morning star. In this case, your target will be somewhere probably around this resistance area. And for that purpose, we need to use the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, guys, this very interesting moment exists. Take a look at the bottom of this candle. You probably remember that we talk about this candle very often because it's really significant. When the market forms such sort of the candles, really miserable drop, long, nasty black candle, the extreme points of this candle becomes very important and represents strong support and resistance area. And take a look what has happened. This lows has held market for a long period. Then it was broken, resistance, resistance again, resistance. On the Paris terrorist attack, market has opened with a gap above this, shows some upward action and drop lower. So it again abandoned. If we will not take into consideration this extraordinary event, is the terrorist attack in France. So it will show you that within the whole this action, these lows works as a resistance and prevents market to return back inside of the range of this candle. That being said, the only chance that market could show any deeper retracement to 1110 area could happen only if market will break this area to the upside. And that probably will be your signal for taking the long position for those of you who would like to trade the bullish morning star pattern to the upside, to make the scalp trade on it. To be honest, guys, taking into consideration this action, it doesn't look like the thrust and mostly has the feature of the retracement. That's why we think that the bear stands in a better position here than the bulls. For those of you who would like to trade the bearish grabber, you probably could try to take the short position on some retracement to the upside. Maybe it will be to the weekly pivot point, maybe slightly higher from this most recent swing down. And with the placing stops above this area, because the return back above it will mean that your stop has failed, that the grabber has been erased, and market is ready for a deeper retracement. That will be your invalidation point here. So this setups for those of you who would like to trade on the intraday charts, take the scalp trade, and ready to take more risk for trading. Others who trade on the daily, you could just wait for either drop below these lows and raising of the morning star, or if market will show the upward retracement, we will be watching for Napoli patterns. That is what we think about the current situation. So that will be a very important area that will clarify the ability of the market to continue move higher, or this market will fail and continue move lower. This will be some marking, some red line for short-term setup, and it will probably clarify which pattern will prevail, either the bearish grabber or bullish morning star. But as a conclusion, we could say that the bulls right now stands in a weak position, and probably only some external factor could let market to show this upward deep retracement and could make the morning star pattern to work. That's why we think that the bearish grabber has more chance to succeed if everything will be quiet and no external factor will hit the market. So that's our current view.